Well, hello, and this is GMODISM Total Nerdery channel. This is my quick tips for modding your PC so that it's more silent and, well, more silent. So, one thing that you might want to have is a power supply like this one. You can see the fan is not moving, and that is because that this power supply do not activate before a certain load. So under 15%, I think it is, it doesn't need a fan, which does decrease noise a lot. The second thing I'd recommend one to do is to, if possible, if the budget allows, upgrade all fans, you know, the cooler, the airflow fans, all the fans you have in the PC, upgrade them to Noctua fans. They sound much less, and even the sound that they make is less annoying. And you don't need to buy the, you know, best Noctua fans. This is kind of their cheap line, I don't know, factory, industrial line, and it's definitely good enough. It serves me well, and it's really silent, you know. So upgrade to Noctua fans. The third thing that I'd recommend one to do is, if you have one of these, a nice hard drive that is, you know, a spinning regular hard drive that's spinning, you can suspend it like this. You can see it's suspended with wires and rubber bands, so it basically hangs free. Now this can be, you know, you need to put it in a way so it can't fall down. You need to be able to shake your computer, you know, like this, without the hard drive being affected, because otherwise you might damage it. You can't let it drop. But having it suspended like this, the vibration from the hard drive won't leak into the chassis and shake the entire thing, making a lot of sound. And usually my hard drive is pretty loud because it spins more than 7,000 rounds per minute, but it's also very fast. So this is definitely something that made a huge difference for me. The third thing I recommend you to do, which I haven't done yet, is to get a graphics card that doesn't scream. This graphic card gets really loud when it's loaded. It's even a little loud now. But that's an upgrade that future upgrade run will do when I'll upgrade more of my pieces. Indeed. You can't upgrade always. Sometimes you need to save your budget. Anyways, these are my quick tips for making your tower PC a lot more quiet. I hope you liked it, and if this helped you, please like the video. I'll see you next time. This is your GMODISM Total Nerdery channel, signing out.